Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're doing well. I'm Shur Siddharth and welcome you to my channel. Now I hope all of you got the new Instagram update, which is Reels. Instagram Reels allows you to shoot videos and then add filters, music from the Instagram catalog and then upload it on the platform. Now there are two ways you can upload it. You can either upload it as IG story or you can upload it on your feed. It allows you to shoot 15 seconds of video. That's why many are calling it TikTok's competitor. So let me show you how these Reels work, although I think that most of you know this. Alright, so once you are in Instagram, go to the top left corner, the camera logo where you can actually upload your stories. And in there, you will see that now it's been distributed into three parts. There's live, story, Reels. I know that it's not visible from here, but yeah. So you need to go to Reels for that, and in here you will see that there are options like audio, speed, effects and timer. Now what we are going to do is here is a add button. From here, if you just click on it, then it will take you to the gallery, and from here you can take your you can take your videos, or what you can do is cancel it. You can directly shoot the video from Reels as you can for Instagram stories normally. So in here are a few options that I want to tell you about. Here is audio section. It's a timer section about the speed that you want to try. And then here are filters, which enables all these Instagram filters if you want to use them. And here is timer. Timer basically is the amount of time that you will be choosing in second. When you will click the record button, the record will start after that amount of time. So alright, let me choose 2.1 second. It doesn't matter. So 2.2 second. I'm just going to cancel this filter, and what I'm going to do is now hit the record button. As you can see, 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, shooting a video on Instagram Reels. So it's one video done. Hey. So this is another video. Alright, so I shot two videos. Now if you come to this logo of I don't know if you can see this left button and right button, or arrow you can say. What you can do is, if you go to the left button, you can actually view your videos like here, and from here you can individually edit them, like maybe adding some music from here, or you might wanna increase the speed. Yeah, or what you can do is you can trim this video by going to here, and maybe I just wanna trim it a little bit. Go to trim. Done. And for each video you are shooting, you have to edit that. If you want to trim that, then you have to go to that left arrow button and you have to trim it before you are making the next video. Does it make sense? Hope it makes sense. So that's it. Now what you can do is just click here on the right side right arrow button, and then what you can do is you can either take another video, or you can just click over here again, and that will finally give you the entire video that you took, the number of videos that you shot. And then what you can do is just maybe add some text like this maybe, and then you can also trim it from here. I forgot to show you. You can also trim it from here, and then you can add some type of GIF or stickers if you want. Like from here, everything is normal, like you do on Instagram story normally. Here you can draw any doodles, and then just hit right and select on this forward button, or the right arrow button you might call, and that will take us to the uploading option. And now you can see here they are showing Reels and stories option. So if you just hit on your share button, it will be shared as your stories. And if you come to this reels, and you can also add captions, maybe making reels on Instagram. Yeah, now it's also have an option to share to reels in explore, and also share to feed. Now if you just keep it checked, then your video will also be posted as separate post on your feed. You get this idea. You can even uncheck it, whatever you want, and then share to reels in explore, and that's how it's done. Good thing is that if you are not on TikTok, but you were thinking for a few days that let me try this platform, then you don't have to download a separate app, because Instagram got your back, my friends. Now I know that I am a bit late in making this video, because when I was scrolling through the Instagram, I saw so many reels videos, and it's like, you guys already know how to make videos on reels. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Now if you did, don't forget to leave one of this or other video, do comment, share with your friends, and please do subscribe to this channel, because it means the world to me. And I will be meeting you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.